Reduction of Cartesian form of the equation of a line to vector form and vice versa, means vector form into Cartesian form. Then Cartesian to vector. Let given equation of line is x minus x1 upon a equal y minus y1 upon b equal z minus z1 upon c, and we have to change this equation of line into vector form. Means we know that vector form is r vector equal position vector of a fixed point, means r1 vector, plus lambda into a vector which is parallel to the given line, means m vector. Then the fixed point, position vector of fixed point, and we know that in Cartesian form x1, y1, z1 are the point lie on the line. Means position vector of a fixed point can be written as x1 I cap, y1 j cap and z1 k cap, because x1, y1, z1 lie on the given line. Again, m vector is a vector which is parallel to the given line. Now since we know that parallel lines have equal direction ratio, then direction ratio of given line is equal direction ratio of m vector. Means m vector can be written as, direction ratio of m vector is ABC, means ai plus bj plus ck cap. Then r vector equal r1 plus lambda m vector, which is ai cap plus bj cap plus ck cap, and it is vector form of equation 1. Vector to Cartesian form. Let vector form of the equation of line is r vector equal r1 plus lambda m vector, and r1 is the position vector of fixed point. Let the fixed point is x1, y1, z1. Then r1 vector is x1i plus y1j plus z1k, and m vector is a vector which is parallel to the given line. Means if the direction ratio of m vector is ABC, then m vector is ai plus bj plus ck cap. Now put r vector equal xi plus yj plus zk. Then put these value in this term, we get xi plus yj plus zk equal value of r1, which is x1i plus y1j plus z1k plus lambda, and the value of m is ai plus bj plus ck. Now shift x1, y1, z1 to LHS, means x minus x1 I cap plus y minus y1 j cap plus z minus z1 k cap equal lambda lambda ai plus bj plus ck. Compare the equation. Coefficient of I cap, coefficient of j cap, coefficient of k cap are equal, means x minus x1 equal lambda a cap, lambda a, y minus y1 equal lambda b, and z minus z1 equal lambda c. The value of lambda is x minus x1 upon a, y minus y1 upon b, and z minus z1 upon c. Then equation of line in Cartesian form is x minus x1 upon a equal y minus y1 upon b equal z minus z1 upon c, and it is Cartesian form of equation 1. Means if we have vector form of equation in this form, where we know that the point are x1i plus y1j plus z1k, and the value of m vector is ai plus bj plus ck, we can directly write this equation in Cartesian form by x minus x1 means coefficient of I, y minus y1 means coefficient of j, and z minus z1, z1 is coefficient of k upon abc. Let we have an vector equation. R vector equal 2i plus 5j plus 6k plus lambda equal 3i plus 9j plus 7k. Then its vector form, its Cartesian form is here x1, y1, z1 are 2, 5, 6, and m vector is 3 I cap plus 9j cap plus 7k cap, means value of a, b, c are 3, 9, 7. We know that Cartesian form is x minus x1 upon a, y minus y1 upon b, z minus z1 upon c, means x minus x1, value of x1 is 2 upon value of a is coefficient of 5, y minus y1, y1 is 5 upon value of b is 9, and z minus z1, z1 is 6 and value of c is 7. Now let a Cartesian equation is given. It is vector to Cartesian, vector to Cartesian. Let a vector equation is given. R vector equal, a Cartesian equation is given x minus 1 upon 2, 5 y minus 5 upon 3, and z minus 2 upon 9. Now this line passes through point x1, y1, z1 means 1, 5, 2, and its direction ratio are 2, 3, 9. Then if we change it into vector form, then its vector form is R vector equal R1, means position vector of a fixed point. Fixed point are x1, y1 and z1. Let it is plus 2. Then x1 is 1, y1 is 5 and z1 is minus 2. Means r1 vector is given by 1 I cap plus 5 j cap and minus 2 means minus 2 k cap, because we can write is z minus 2, then is it z minus z1, z1 is minus 2, then plus lambda m vector. M vector is direction ratio of a vector which is parallel to the given line. Then direction ratio of the given line is 2, 3, 9. Then direction ratio of parallel vector is also 2, 3, 9. Means lambda m vector is given by 2 I cap plus 3 j cap plus 9 k cap, and this, it is vector form of this line.